This particular website actually paid me 3,000 naira immediately I registered. This is right here. And I'm going to be showing you what exactly I did to get that. And I'm also going to be showing you how you can actually withdraw that money from that particular website. If you're probably seeing this face for the very first time, welcome. Welcome to Financial Hustle. You already know what we do here. It's all about making money online and offline business ideas. If that is of your interest, hit the subscribe button and join the family. Now let's get straight into this video. What you're going to do is to go to your Play Store or your Apple Store to download this particular app. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box for you to get access to it. But before you go, make sure you watch the video to the very end so you'll not miss the most important part of it, okay? So as you can see right on the screen, you can see the different prices for different gift card. So your question is probably, how am I even going to get money from this particular app? So firstly, you're going to start by registration. So after you download the app, you're going to register with your Gmail and you create a password. Once you log in, you're going to get 3,000 naira deposited into your account, but you won't be able to withdraw that money. Reason is because your money has to be up to 8,000 naira before you can be able to withdraw it. So before we discuss on the withdrawal method, firstly let's discuss on where you can actually make more money to be able to withdraw that money into your bank account. So the second website I will be recommending so you can actually make more money by any gift card is Swagbox. This particular website is a very popular website. I know a lot of you will have heard about this particular website. I'm still going to be mentioning others as well. So you just have to go to your Chrome browser or your Google browser, type in Swagbox, click on the very first link. So yeah, there we go. You register with your Gmail and your password. The verification link is going to be sent to your Gmail. Click on it to activate your Swagbox account. So to get started with micro tasks such as surveys, games, and so on. So the other websites where you can actually earn gift card Survey Junky, ClickSense. I'm not sure, but you can actually make money performing microtasks. But I'm not sure if you're going to get gift card on that particular website. Timebox, yes, gift card. MOBROG, gift card. Offer Nation, you're going to make money, but it's not gift card. Premise too. You make money on premise by snapping, but it's not gift card, but you're going to make money from premise. It's a very good website, okay? Now let's talk about their withdrawal method. On this particular web app, because it's not the website, it's an app. You can actually withdraw your money direct into your local bank accounts from OPay, PAMPay, and other banks in Nigeria. Okay. Alright guys, that's all about this particular website. Let me know what you think about it. Are you going to be trying it out or not? Alright, see you in the next one. Bye. Do take care of yourself. Do like the video, okay? It's going to help the algorithm to push my video to more viewers. See you in the next one. Bye. Take care.